So, good evening, everyone. Maazi Ezeoke here. I bring us good tidings regarding the Enugu International Airport that's been closed since the 24th of August 2019. Over the weekend, I made a video where I clearly stated that we do not know what that means if the airport is going to be opened or not. But today, we went to the Enugu International Airport and we can report back to you that work is ongoing at the airport. So the airport has been shut down. All the airports on Wednesday, 3 airports were shut down. That means the Kanu International Airport, Port Harcourt International Airport, and Enugu International Airport. And though 2 days later, the Lagos International Airport, Nnamdi Azikiwe, is being shut down. That's Abuja and Lagos. So basically, the Nigerian airspace is shut. And I tried to find out what that actually means to have the airports shut down as to an airport that's been closed since the 24th of August. And I was told that when an airport is shut down, not even a helicopter can fly into the airport. That means, like before that the Enugu International Airport was closed, the Minister of Aviation can still fly in with a helicopter. But in this case, that the airport is shut down, he cannot even fly. That means the airspace is shut down in this case. So, be that as it may now, that airspace between in Enugu, or rather Enugu International Airport, is now shut. That is, no flight is going in there. Now, we have recorded this video today, being the 23rd of March 2020, just to prove that we were there and we saw work going. And that's a good news. And I must say, Maazi Ezeoke here, I must say, very big kudos to the federal government for not abandoning the project, because many of us, and myself included, have actually expressed our fear that by shutting it down in the Nigerian way of doing things, the job will be abandoned. But as it is now, from what we saw today, the work is ongoing. What, however, we do not think is going to happen from what we saw today is that the work will be completed in a week's time, because originally that airport was meant to be opened on Tuesday next week, which is the 31st of March 2020. There is no way from what we saw today. Let's say the work today, as of today, is about 55 to 60% done. There is no way they're going to do within the next 7 days, they can do another 40%. There is equally no way this work, the level we've seen today, will be completed before Easter. Okay, so that's an impossibility to do. However, yes, this work will not be done by next week. Yes, this work will not be completed by Easter. But even if it is completed by Easter, we cannot use it because of what we have now, the issues surrounding the coronavirus. And this coronavirus, that is the strain called COVID-19, the way it goes today, the whole world is likely to still be on a lockdown in the next, even in the next 4 to 6 weeks. So it is very unlikely that the Enugu International Airport, within this period will be open. So what probably we should be anticipating, now going back to the original request by the contractor, that is the PW and the contractor handling that. Remember, in January when the minister visited, the contractor was actually begging that his project timeline will be by June. So from all indications, it appears May, June is likely to be a realistic date for the Enugu International Airport to be open. And I think that would have to coincide with the the end of the epidemic that we currently have, the coronavirus COVID-19. So that would coincide with, okay, yes, people, we have defeated it. That means if we're still alive by then, that we're going to now start enjoying these international airport. Here are the videos that we recorded today, so you be the judge. Thank you very much. I still remain yours and only Maazi Ezeoke. So people, this is Enugu today, the 23rd of March 2020. Maazi here with Njenje media crew. As usual, we find our way in the runway, and we are recording this today for you guys to know. We came to check on the Enugu International Airport to find out if the airport was actually shut down, or rather the activities were shut down. And we can tell you people that activities at the Enugu International Airport is not shut down in terms of construction. Construction is ongoing. You can see trucks, you can see workmen on the field. They are now putting the second layer of asphalt on this runway. Now this is the job is looking, is turning out good, I must be honest. And once more, like I said, we must thank the federal government for not stopping work. Work is ongoing, but from what we can see here, we don't think it's going to be ready in 7 days time. But once more, remember, Maazi is okay.